Use synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder. If there is no remainder, enter a 0 in the appropriate answer box. So to divide using synthetic division, what you need is a denominator that is a linear function whose leading term coefficient is 1. Since we have that, what we do is we take the opposite of this value, which is -1, and set it apart from the coefficients of the polynomial and the numerator. So we have 3x cubed, but there's no x squared term, so we have to pad in a 0 for the squared term because synthetic division always assumes decreasing powers of x. Then we have -5 times x and -2. Then what I do is draw a couple of bars just to separate the last term and start the process of synthetic division. So bring the 3 down, multiply it against the -1, so that gives me -3. Add this column together to get -3. -3 times -1 is +3, and then I add these two together. -2 times -1 is +2, and those added give me 0. So to interpret this number here is my remainder. Since that remainder is 0, it means it divides evenly. The rest of these make up a polynomial. This would be the constant in that polynomial. This would be times x, and the rest of these are just increasing powers of x. So the result is 3x squared minus 3x minus 2, and we could technically put plus 0 over the original denominator, but since 0 divided by anything is just 0, it's okay to leave that off.